Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to save jobs on Indeed in 2026. Yeah, this is a really handy way to keep track of job listings you like without applying right away. First, open the Indeed app or website and use the search bar to look for jobs. You can type in a job title, skill, or company name. Next, scroll through the results and check out different job postings that match what you're looking for. Now when you find a job you like, just tap the save or bookmark icon next to it. Yeah, this instantly adds it to your saved jobs list. After saving, go to your account menu and open the Save Jobs section to see everything you've saved. Now you can open your saved jobs anytime, compare them, and decide which ones you want to apply for later. And when you're ready, just open a saved job and click Apply to send your application. And that's how to save jobs on Indeed in 2026. Hopefully this helps you stay organized during your job search. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.